Most people trying to quiet their backyards are doing this completely wrong, and even if you spend money on a fence, it might not make much of a difference. And that's the frustrating part, because on paper, it makes sense. You add a fence, you add some mass, and well, it should block the noise, right? Still sounds basically the same. So before you waste time and money on the wrong setup, you need to understand what actually works and what doesn't. Now, one thing that I want to point out with my setup right here, it isn't perfect. I've still got a lot of gaps between the wood here, and normally that's not what you want. Sound loves gaps. It will take the easiest path every single time. So even small openings like this, they matter more than people think. But in my case, I don't have a ton of noise to deal with. Even something like this corner right here makes a noticeable difference. You don't need to block your entire backyard. You just need to block where the noise is coming from. Now, if you're dealing with more serious noise like traffic all day long, loud neighbors, barking dogs, then this kind of setup isn't going to really cut it. You don't want gaps. You want this to be as solid and as continuous as possible. In my case, I have a court right behind me and a roadway right beside me, so I'm covered. Water. You need to think about it like water. If water can pass through, sound can easily pass through as well. So if you want to go a little bit further on this, you can start layering on heavier materials. This is where things like sound barrier mats or mass-loaded vinyls comes in. Mass-loaded vinyl especially, it's heavy, it's flexible, and designed specifically to block sound. It's used in walls, ceilings, and it works. But here's the thing. It only works well if everything else is done right first. If you've got gaps everywhere and then you put something like this on top of it, you're not going to get the results you're expecting. Now, obviously, you're not just going to hang a big black sheet on your deck and just call it a day. It's not exactly the nicest thing to look at, but you can sandwich it behind another wood panels, you can cover it, and even integrate it into a nicer looking wall design. But even if you do everything right here, solid walls, no gaps, added mass, you're still not going to eliminate all the noise. And that's just a reality of being outside and the reality of soundproofing in general. Now, if the noise you're dealing with isn't coming from far away, but it's actually coming from somewhere in your yard, like a heat pump or a pool pump, that's a completely different situation, because now you've got a direct source, and those are the easiest ways to deal with in that case. Instead of blocking the sound, let's say on the deck, you go right to the source of the sound itself. But one thing that I noticed that makes a AC unit a lot quieter, try cleaning it once a year. Video right there to show you exactly what to do. It's quite simple. And once you've cut down the main source, that's when masking becomes really powerful, because now you're not fighting loud direct noise anymore. You're just wanting to mask what's left of the noise that you're dealing with. And this is where something as simple as a water feature can make a huge difference in your backyard. It doesn't have to be big, it doesn't have to be expensive, just something with a consistent, steady sound, because what that does is it fills the background, so you're hearing a constant layer of sound that makes everything else less noticeable. It's the same idea as white noise indoors, just applied outdoors. And if you don't have a water feature, or you just don't want to kind of deal with it, then you can just buy an outdoor speaker. Just play something like water sound, a fountain loop, even light white noise, and it does pretty much a similar job. After that, should make your backyard a lot more peaceful. There's a few things, however, that don't really work as advertised. Some people advertise big, thick outdoor curtains. It's not really going to soundproof much of anything. It might make sound inside where you are sound a little bit better, but soundproof curtain, it's more of a sound deadening material. It's not really thick enough to block much of anything, except if you double, triple, quadruple them up, make a really, really thick curtain, then maybe you're going to block a little bit, but even so, not really worth your money if you're looking to block noise outside. Another thing is really small, thin, decorative slats. So if you're trying to block as much noise as you can, these types of materials not really going to work. So that's just the reality of it. So with all of that, if you have an AC unit or a heat pump that's quite noisy, video right there, I'll show you how easy it is to make it a lot less noisy by just cleaning a few things inside it. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, assuming you subscribed.